7 foods protect your vision naturally. 3 years ago, my father's ophthalmologist delivered devastating news. Early macular degeneration was stealing his sight progressively. Conventional treatments offered limited hope, leaving our family searching desperately for alternatives that might slow this frightening progression. Then we discovered 7 specific foods that research shows can significantly improve eye health and potentially slow vision deterioration when consumed consistently. The human eye contains dense concentrations of specific nutrients that protect against oxidative damage and age-related decline. When these protective compounds become depleted, vision problems develop more rapidly than most people realize. Macular degeneration affects over 11 million Americans, according to the National Eye Institute, while cataracts impact nearly everyone over age 80. However, nutritional intervention can dramatically reduce these risks when started early enough. Leafy greens lead the list of vision-protecting foods powerfully. Spinach, kale, and collard greens contain lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that accumulate in retinal tissue naturally. These compounds filter harmful blue light while neutralizing free radicals effectively. Research published in JAMA Ophthalmology shows that consuming 6 milligrams of lutein daily reduces macular degeneration risk by 43%. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides approximately 20 milligrams of these protective carotenoids naturally. Eggs provide the most bioavailable form of lutein and zeaxanthin available. The fat content in egg yolks enhances absorption significantly compared to plant sources alone. Studies from the University of New Hampshire demonstrate superior carotenoid uptake from eggs. Eating 2 eggs daily for 5 weeks increased blood lutein levels by 142% in healthy adults. This dramatic increase translates directly into enhanced retinal protection against light damage and oxidative stress. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the liver. This essential nutrient maintains healthy corneas and supports night vision function naturally. Vitamin A deficiency causes xerophthalmia, a condition leading to blindness in severe cases. The World Health Organization estimates that vitamin A deficiency affects 250 million preschool children globally. Consuming 1 medium carrot daily provides over 100% of recommended vitamin A intake safely. Fatty fish delivers omega-3 fatty acids crucial for retinal health. That comprises 60% of photoreceptor cell membranes, making adequate intake essential for proper visual function. Studies show omega-3 deficiency contributes to dry eye syndrome significantly. Research from the Age-Related Eye Disease Study found that consuming fish twice weekly reduces advanced macular degeneration risk by 38%. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines provide the highest concentrations of beneficial omega-3s. Nuts and seeds supply vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant protecting cell membranes from oxidative damage. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts contain concentrated amounts of this fat-soluble vitamin naturally. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that vitamin E intake above 15 milligrams daily reduces cataract risk by 20%. 1 ounce of almonds provides 7.3 milligrams of vitamin E effectively. Citrus fruits provide vitamin C essential for collagen synthesis in blood vessels serving the retina. This water-soluble antioxidant also regenerates vitamin E, creating synergistic protective effects throughout ocular tissues. The Age-Related Eye Disease Study demonstrates that vitamin supplementation reduces cataract progression by 33% over 6 years. 1 orange provides 70 milligrams of vitamin C, exceeding daily requirements easily. Sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene in highly concentrated amounts naturally. This orange pigment converts to vitamin A more efficiently than supplements, supporting corneal health and night vision function effectively. 1 medium-baked sweet potato provides over 400% of daily vitamin A needs. Regular consumption maintains adequate retinal stores while supporting overall eye health consistently. Here are 7 practical ways to incorporate these vision-protecting foods. First, create morning smoothies combining spinach, eggs, and citrus fruits. Blend 1 cup spinach, 1 whole egg, juice from half orange with water or milk. This combination provides multiple eye nutrients synergistically. Second, snack on mixed nuts and seeds throughout the day regularly. Aim for 1 ounce daily of almonds, walnuts, or sunflower seeds. These portable foods fit easily into busy schedules. Third, Plan fish meals twice weekly minimum for optimal benefits. Grill salmon, bake mackerel, or add canned sardines to salads. Vary preparations to maintain dietary interest and compliance.